Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be trying out the new Nicka Autumn Spice palette. So yeah, this one is Autumn Spice, and this is what we're going to be using today. These are the colors right here. Hope you guys can see, but these are the colors. They swatch really well. I do like these colors. It's reminding me of like pumpkin spice or something like that. Well, the palette is called Autumn Spice, but it's a really nice palette. It swatches really well. Maybe I'll go in with this color. And so I'm just packing this color on my lid. I'm not so much blending it out yet. I'm just packing it on. And it's like a light mustard yellow type of color, like a golden mustard color. Yeah, this actually isn't a bad color once you build everything up. Just gonna go ahead and blend that. Have some fallout, if you can see it, so it's like going into the other shades. That's all right, you know, as long as it's not, you know, hidden pan. So I'm gonna try one of these darker shades. To be honest, these two look alike, but it might not be alike. So I'm gonna try this one right here. It's a little darker. Oh, that's pretty. It's really pretty. Dang, I forgot which color I used. They look alike. I think I used, oh my god, I don't remember. I think it was this one. Girl, they look alike, so I just forgot which one I used. Yes, I'm just doing the same thing that I did with the other color, just tapping it and then blending the color, just trying to build it up to my liking. But this is blending just as good as the other palette. I can't get over how good these palettes are. Like, they're only $3. Like, you cannot beat that. Just so pretty. This is perfect for fall. Like, I'm ready for fall, by the way. Like, who is ready for fall? I know I am. Hence my shirt. I thought this was like appropriate to wear. Yeah. This is really, really nice. I'm just gonna take a clean, well, kind of a clean brush and just kind of blend everything together. Okay, so I'm gonna deepen everything up and I'm gonna go in with this brown shade. Okay. I don't see nothing. I only see a little bit of brown. Maybe I need to change my brush. Let me change my brush. Kind of stamp it on. I mean, the brown is showing up a little bit, but I thought it was going to be a little bit deeper. I'm using a little bit more of a dense brush. But I mean, it's there, but it's not dark how it is in the pan. But I mean, it's there. It's a really nice brown. but it's not dark like how I would want it. Just have to build it up. Yeah, you just gotta build. So you just gotta build the brown up. Maybe using more of a dense blending brush. Like I said, this is just a regular e.l.f. blending brush. And I'm just tapping and blending, so it won't look so harsh. Take this orange one at the top and just kind of blend over. Just use that to make, what am I trying to say? I'm gonna take that orange and just blend everything together. And you can always keep packing on color and blending to your liking, but this is fine for me. So I'm gonna go in with this gold shade right here. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a copper orange shade, like a copper brown. I don't know, like a copper brown, orange. I don't know, very bronzy. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. So I'm getting a little fallout. But right off back, this color is really soft. Like, oh God, it's like breaking up a little bit in the pan. But I recommend using a glitter glue. It's very soft. So if you put down a glitter glue first with this color, like if you plan on purchasing this palette, it'll stay. It won't fall out so much. But you know, I didn't know that until now. But I think a glitter glue would work. It's very soft. Alright, so I finished my face and I put on my lashes. So I looked back at the footage and I was too far back. So yeah, I'm not putting my phone on that mount that comes with the ring light ever again.